And here is a tip on how to ask a yes or no question with do you like and an action. For example, do you like to cook? So yes or no question, you can start with est-ce que and then put your verb you like. So est-ce que tu aimes? And then your action word, cuisiner. It will still end with er. So also you can raise your voice and forget the est-ce que. That part is harder for the vocal cord. Tu aimes cuisiner? Okay, so let's try with est-ce que. Do you like to cook? Let's try that. Est-ce que tu aimes cuisiner? Now let's try. Do you like to eat? And we're going to add at the restaurant to make more sense to that question. Est-ce que tu aimes manger au restaurant? Do you like to have lunch at the café? Est-ce que tu aimes déjeuner au café? Do you like to walk at the park? Est-ce que tu aimes marcher au parc? Do you like to play a sport? Est-ce que tu aimes préparer un... Oh, pardon. Est-ce que tu aimes pratiquer un sport? Do you like to invite people? Oh, do you like to invite friends? So again, try it. Est-ce que tu aimes inviter des amis? Do you like to work? Okay, let's try that. So again, est-ce que tu aimes travailler? Now let's add something else. Do you like to work at the office? Est-ce que tu aimes travailler au bureau? Let's try another place. Do you like to work at the library? Est-ce que tu aimes travailler à la bibliothèque? Okay? Do you like to study? Okay, to study is étudier. So how are you going to start? So do you like to study? Est-ce que tu aimes étudier? Now let's add at the library behind. Est-ce que tu aimes étudier à la bibliothèque? Do you like to play? Est-ce que tu aimes jouer? Do you like to listen to music? Est-ce que tu aimes écouter de la musique? Do you like to watch TV? Est-ce que tu aimes regarder la télé? Do you like to travel? Est-ce que tu aimes voyager? Now, how do you answer the question? So if you like something, you're going to start with j'aime. So, est-ce que tu aimes cuisiner? Oui, j'aime cuisiner. Let's do it a no. Est-ce que tu aimes cuisiner? Non, je n'aime pas cuisiner. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. Have a great day.